One of the many tools Echo has to offer that can support students in the midst of virtual learning is the agenda. The focus of this video will be how to create agendas specifically for a virtual learning setting using weekly guidelines. The idea behind weekly agendas is that it gives students flexibility and space to learn and complete activities at their own pace. It also allows students without daily access to internet to find time to view their weekly assignments, work offline, and turn them in when they have access to internet again. It is nearly impossible for us to know what each day brings for our students at this time. Giving them a week to check in, practice skills they have already learned, and connect with their classmates is more likely to fit the lives of most of our students than giving them daily tasks. When in the classroom setting, however, using daily agendas is best. Some things to keep in mind when creating agendas for virtual learning. Be clear. Give solid instructions on what is expected of students during their virtual learning time. Be consistent. Use the same style of agenda from week to week. If it helps, create a template you can copy and reuse. Use links to outside resources and course activities. Using links allows the students to get everything they need in the agenda and keeps them from having to dig around inside of your course to find what they need. Let's get started with using landing page content to clearly state how agendas are to be used by students for virtual learning. Any text added to the landing page will show for students anytime they enter a course. You can update or change landing page content at any time. To add text to the course landing page, enter the course through the Activities tool. Click Add Landing Page Content. Use the Rich Text Editor and enter the message to students. Now that we have our landing page content set up, let's get started with creating weekly agendas. In the next section of this video, we will cover agenda formatting, linking to course activities and outside resources, duplicating agendas from course to course, and duplicating agendas from day to day. Let's get started with agenda formatting. Enter a course through the Activities tool. Click Edit Agenda. Within the Agenda Rich Text Editor, the first thing we are going to do is give our weekly agenda a title. Next, we will add a table. Tables are nice for formatting images and text. For this agenda, I'm going to use a one-column table. My agenda is going to have 3 sections, and for each section, I'm going to insert an image as the title. So I'm going to make sure my table has 6 boxes. The 3 sections my weekly agendas are going to have for the duration of virtual learning are weekly check-in, learning and assignments, and connection. First, I'm going to insert my title images. To insert an image, click your cursor where you'd like the image to show. Click the Insert Image icon and either upload an image from your computer or drag and drop it in. Resize and align your image however you'd like. Now let's add some content to our agenda. Now that our agenda is formatted, let's hit save and see how it looks. Formatting is complete, our agenda looks good. Let's jump into adding links to course activities and links to outside resources. To get back into editing your agenda, click the Edit Agenda tool. To add links to a course activity, highlight the text you would like to link. From the Rich Text toolbar, click the Insert Link icon. In the pop-up, click the Link to Course Activity icon in the upper left-hand corner. From the drop-down menu, locate the activity you want to link to. Be sure to select Open in a new window. When you're ready, click Insert Link. To link to an outside resource, highlight the text you would like to link. From the Rich Text toolbar, click the Insert Link icon. Paste in your link this time, select Open in a new window, and click Insert Link. Our agenda is almost complete. Before we take it for a test run, let's take a second to remove the borders from our table. Now let's check out our agenda and make sure the links are working. Click Save in the upper right-hand corner. To test out your links, simply click on them. Now that we have covered formatting our agenda and adding links, let's get into duplicating agendas across courses. If you'd like to use this agenda as a template in other courses, or you have created this agenda in a master course and would like to use it in your derivatives, click on the Duplicate Agenda button. In the pop-up, make sure you have the date in which you'd like the agenda to appear selected. Select all courses you'd like to duplicate the agenda to. When you are finished, click Duplicate. Now this agenda will appear on the selected date in the selected courses. Let's jump into duplicating agendas from day to day. Because this is a weekly agenda and Echo always displays the current day, we want to make sure the agenda appears on any given day a student might log in. To begin duplicating this agenda from day to day, click the Duplicate Agenda icon. Select the date you would like to duplicate the agenda to. Select your current course and click Duplicate. Do this for all days in which you'd like the agenda to appear. To make sure your agendas are duplicated to the correct days, use the Calendar tool to take a look. And there you have it, everything you need to know about creating weekly agendas to support virtual learning. For more information on supporting virtual learning, visit the NTN Help Center at helpcenter.newtechnetwork.org and search virtual learning. Need help signing in? Search Sign In.